is the greatest contribution of the Filipino youth to the world? Again, what do you think is the greatest contribution of the Filipino youth to the world?
I believe that Filipinos are very talented people and that they are well known and they have mastered their craft all over the world. And as a Filipino youth, I believe that we give chances, or we can say the Filipino youth is a proof that a possibility of change can still happen. That each and every Filipino can be molded into someone better, and that someone better can be someone who would help the people in the world, and that they can share their talents, they can share the values that the Filipino people have long been having, and that Filipino youth can impart what the Filipinos are known for. Thank you.
Thank you so much.